Yeah, it's like $60 and then 40% off. Um, Spring shall be thin, dance forward and forever free. What is this? Have you tried to make a placemat? They have the blue and the red, $5.49. Heated table cover. Ooh. The placemat, I like it. It is reversible, $199 and then less 40% off. I also have the tray. Yes. Oh, the banner. That is a cute one. $10. Less 40% off. Oh, this one too. Two-sided, $11. The square balloon, paper plane. Oop. That is $6.99. Drying mat. The USA. Faith, family, freedom. A big one. How much is this? I mean, you can separate it and put one in the window, or $20. In the boat. Happy 50th. Oh, happy 50th or 250th? Oh yeah. Like that, materials. That is America. Or this one. I'm trying to see if I need to buy the whole ribbon or just buy this and separate it. $13, $12, less 40% off. And and a cute one. Oh, they also have the mini one. Oh, the cupcakes. And don't forget, use $8. This is the only drying mat they have. Oh, this is cute. $7. Grab a cup, make it up. Oh, it is $13. $3.49. America. Reversible. They're $5.49. The napkins. Oh no, tablecloth. Like that. Oh, that's $5. That one, but it's $10. Oh, they have the small one. The stickers. Okay. 4th of July. How much is this one? This $15 and less 40% off. God bless the USA. I think there's still $15. Yeah, less 40% off. I'm looking for the wreath so I can make my own ribbons. That is $5. Other half price for the spring summer toy. I'm so excited. Or this one. Oh, this is cute. Oh, the beagle. What is oh, oh, that is a towel. Oh, what is this? Oh, the table runner. This material is cute.